Hi, Monkey Monk. What are you doing?
What you up to, miss?
Are you rocking? Are you a rocking baby?
That's your caterpillar.
Are you gonna hit yourself in the face again?
Or hit the monkey with it. She did that.
Oh, that'd be fun. Pound the monkey with the caterpillar.
Are you trying to put that whole head in your mouth?
Well, now that you say it like that, maybe that's not, put that way, maybe it's not a very good idea.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
I don't even know how candid it is. Also, I don't think she fully understands that.
Sometimes she gets more interested with the fact that you're filming her than anything you can,
Of course, right now she's managing to completely ignore it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What do you think? Those are some pretty creepy caterpillar eyes.
Mm-hmm.
I think you might need to hit yourself in the face with that.
Try to eat his head.
Yeah. Yeah. Eat the plastic.
Oh,
Or
no.
poke yourself in the eye with it. I mean, that's another well-trod baby approach.
Oh.
Oh, I got a laugh out of that. I better do that again. That's positive feedback. I should try this again. Let me see. Put it back in my mouth. How do I do that? Oh, I missed. It's the other side.
Put him in there. Eat him up.
I don't have teeth.
Good girl. Oh,
It's my teddy bear.
your teddy bear.
My teddy monkey. Teddy monkey. Teddy monkey. Teddy monkey. Who's a big kid now? Monkey's a big kid now. She's totally ignoring me.
Who's a big kid now?
Monkey's a big kid now.
Who's
a big kid now? Monkey's a big kid now. Who's a big kid now? Monkey's a big kid now. Ha ha!
Yay! Yeah! Funky Cold Medina. Yeah. She's like, what? Yeah. Down at Fraggle Rock, da da. Down at Fraggle Rock, da da. Dancing cares away, choo choo. Worries for another day. Let the music play, ha ha. Down at Fraggle Rock. She's like, I'll eat your finger.
Or just eat mother. I mean,
I'll just eat your finger. She doesn't like me to sing Fraggles too many times.
I'm gonna put this in my mouth.
Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. You
I
little
hope it's
punky.
not lead.
You little punky.
Let's see, what else can I put in my mouth? Oh,
Hey, Mom's fingers again.
fingers are fun to put in the mouth.
Silly bee. I'll give you this, Smokey. No, I think that was a little yawn that she started there. Hmm?
She's like, give me those rings. Hey, monkey, let go of those rings. I bet that's what she's thinking.
Rings of power.
She's like, I want those rings. Let go of those.
Yeah. These are mine.
Yeah, give me those rings.
Share. You need to share. Teddy monkey. I mean, I want to put these in my mouth. And you're not helping me. Hey, I managed to actually get in my mouth. That was good. I didn't poke myself in the eye. That's an accomplishment.